Hello, folks, professionals, and friends. Let's welcome back another important session. Okay, let's see the topic today. Where do you find deleted delivery lines in SAP ECC or S4 HANA? Don't ask me. I have already done a lot of videos regarding how to delete delivery lines. I think a couple of days back ago also I have shown one scenario. So what is the solution? Like, maybe end user accidentally deleted on delivery line, or else out of 100 lines, he might deleted secretly one or two line items. How do you come to know? Okay. So we have actually three solutions. So three solution alternatives. So today we are going to discuss about first solution alternative. Okay. In next video, I would like to add next alternative. Okay, so I have a request. If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to get more inputs. Please like my videos if you like it. This is the one thing I'm expecting. So I am putting a lot of hard work, almost 700 videos I have done. So when it comes to for your serious learning, I'm currently holding around 6,000 students, and this is my SAP SD sales and distribution course. This is power packed course, 107 hours. If you have that seriousness to learn in the similar way, I have a couple of courses. This is one of my top course on pricing. With that motivation, I have done one more course on SAP ECC and S4 HANA advanced pricing concepts. Okay, and this is for idocs and getting master to write functional specification. These two courses are very important before getting into the real time. Okay. So I know the importance because I worked around 11 years. I'm finding the importance for beginners or else those who are already struggling in real time, they can able to utilize my courses. Around 20 courses available. I'm just keeping in the description box those links. You can access it. Okay. Let's come back to the serious discussion. This is what we are going to find it now with practicals. Okay. So let's come here. I'm just creating sales order. Either you can able to try with the same line item or different line items. Okay. So there is no exception. It can be any case. So I have created. Okay. Let's go to the item overview or else all items section. You can able to enter the line items. Okay, so this is, let's take line item 20 means second line. This is line item 30. Okay, this is line item 40, and this is line item number 50 means total 5 line items I have taken. Okay, let's try to create a sales order. So like something like this, just deleted line. Okay, something like the text. You can give any text. Let's save this sales order. Now let's go to VA03 and check the doc flow. Okay, now sales order is open. So with picture proof I'm creating the deletion. Now you can able to see this. This is the delivery document. So let me save this. Okay. So let's go to VA02. Okay. If you want, you can able to pick the lines also. Okay. But after PCI, it will not be allowed to do so. This is sales order. Let's go to the delivery. Okay. Quickly. So now, you can able to do the picking also, no issues. Assume that before picking or after picking, it doesn't make any difference. Okay. Once the delivery is saved for deleted line item, for your reference, I'm just doing this one. Okay. So someone might be has done many deliveries like this. So in a financial year, especially at the time of auditing or a certain time you required whatever the solution I'm telling. So useful certain logic, you can able to drive the logics. Suppose you developed a report customer wise, wanted to find the deliveries, open deliveries or open sales orders. Again, I asked what are the lines got deleted at order level, delivery level. Also, we can able to do certain real-time report. Okay. So let's save this. So either way, you can able to try it. So I'm just trying line 20 and line 40 here. Okay. Always remember item level you have to delete here. So 1030 means line 20 and 40 got deleted. Let's save this. Okay. Let's copy this delivery number. Assume that I am showing single delivery document. Okay. In the similar way, you can able to find it. You can able to track if you know the delivery number and number of deliveries. What is the surprising thing, this I have already shown in one of my oldest YouTube videos, but why I'm trying here, this is solution one. I'm going to give another two solutions. So to find this one, okay, let's go to SC16. So you can able to see CD pause. I have explained CD HDR. CD is common, change document. CD means change document. HDR means header. CD is common. HDR means header. You can remember CD POS. Pause means your line item. Okay. Fastener means your line item, right? Field. So CD pause is the table. Okay. Probably you can give the star and you can give this delivery number because leading zeros will be there, 2 zeros. Okay. So now you can able to see this. Okay. So you have a line 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. LOGRT means your storage location also assigned. This is LAPS means your item table. Okay. This is what the status is all about. Okay. So now you can able to see this line 20 and 40, which is got deleted. Okay. It doesn't carry any data. You can able to see this with key. You can able to identify this one. Okay. So if you give the key field, okay, let me try to filter here. So let's give the key, enter. Now you can able to see this. Okay. Let's try to little drag. Line 20 and 40 I got deleted. This is the solution one. You can able to find it out. So in future, maybe like, maybe today or tomorrow, I will try to add solution 2 for you, for your learning. If you really like this video, if you really like this solution, okay, you can subscribe for further learning and you let me know. Give a comment what you want to learn in future. That's what I'm expecting. If you need something you wanted to learn, if you have a doubt, so you can able to do the comment. It depends on my time. I can able to do this one. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. What is more important? Jai Hind. Okay. Love your country. Jai Bharat. Have a great day. Thank you.